This is a Waterbury chiming clock, number 401, or, well, that's the model number anyway, number 401. The latest patent on the back of the movement is 1925. We'll get a look at that in just a second. Here you see there are two small arbors for the double-ended key here. I'm not sure if this is its original key, but nonetheless, let me tell you about their features. This one allows you to lift the chime rods. There's a mechanism in here that lets you lift the chime rods so it doesn't chime on the quarters. There you can hear them hitting the top of the case, where they are now resting. And then when you want to unsilence it, you turn it the opposite direction. And there you can hear them dropping. This is a slow, fast feature. I think these are kind of there so that you don't have to take the pendulum out to completely change the height of the pendulum, which is annoying because you have to open the back cover and all that. So I think they just have that there at the front so that you don't have to do that. Though it's better to just do that with the pendulum itself. Here you can see the back of the movement. There's the escapement. This is a 3-plated movement. So I can't get a good view back there of what kind of escapement it is. But from the looks of it, the way the escapement gear is moving, looks to be a deadbeat. I can't say 100% for sure though, so. Alright, here we can see the patents here. Well, kind of. April 14th, 1925. As you can see, Waterbury Clock Company. I say that too much, as you can see. There are the chime rods. Now, let me see if I can show you that function of the chime and silence feature that this comes with. There we go. See it lifts it up, and then you can lift them back down when you want to hear it chime. Though, I should mention that when you lift these up, it doesn't stop the mechanism from actually going. You can watch it still go. It simply just lifts the hammers out of the way of the barrel. And once we reach the hour, as you can see, it will still strike. So here we go for the hour. The striking side could definitely use some oiling, because the movement's actually louder than the chime. Though, it works, so it uses count wheel striking, there you can see. So this is still pretty old. Oh my god, I need to stop saying you can see. It's so annoying. So you may be able to see I took the pendulum off because we're going to be turning the clock upside down in just a few minutes. But I wanted to show you the chimes just by themselves. Chime barrel's a little out of sequence, just a tiny bit there. You can see the next hammer starting to lift already. But it's not too big of an issue. Whenever I move this clock, it likes to go slow, the chimes. So it wasn't chiming this slow just before. It's still got plenty of wind going for it, but let me get you a good view of everything lifting up here. Sorry, I can't use the flashlight right now because my battery's too low. I should have charged this a bit more before I made the video, but I've gone too far to scrap it now. So right about now would be the best time for a flashlight, but that's alright. Here you can see, oh my god, I said it again. Made in the USA, of course, Waterbury. And there you, oh my god. Chime clock number 401. I don't know if that's supposed to say anything, but I think these things hold in the chime rods. This one has melted a bit. This foot. Might see if I can cut these off and just replace them because they're old and decrepit. You can get some of the woodworking. I can't speak. And there's a face view. Let me get you one last look at that sticker. This clock is not one that you can push backwards because it uses count wheel striking and not rack and snail striking. So I've got to wait until 10 in the morning to turn it back on. I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless, despite my inability to talk and me saying "as you can see" so much. I don't like editing, so I'm not editing anything. That's cringe. This one is still gone. Nonetheless, if you have any more information on the Waterbury and you'd like to post what you know about it in the comments, please do that. Be as elaborate as you want. That'll be greatly appreciated for me and any viewers that watch this, because I am incapable of explaining things. So, goodbye for now.